Okay, good morning. Today I'm going to do the demo for English grammar, and the course is based on the technique we have learned last week, Blackboard. Okay, and this is the class designed for advanced level. Alright, so from the contents we can see students' profile, class design and teaching goal, lesson plan, websites to help, and finally evaluation for used Blackboard. Okay, here's a student's profile. There are 20 students in this class, and their level is over GPT intermediate level, which means their word ability is over 8,000 words. As to class design and teaching goal, this class span is for 15 minutes, and the class material we use is Let's Talk 3 and some websites, and also the software of Blackboard. Teaching equipment includes computers and its accessories. Our teaching goal will be to write longer texts in English with increased grammatical accuracy, such as in editing. So students' ability must be developed to this goal. As to the lesson plan, okay, so I divided into time span and activity. The class topic will be self-improvement. As this is an advanced class, so the topic won't be so fixed. Students can change this title as how to make yourself how to make yourself popular, or your life management, some relative ones, either is okay. And as to the class, the first 5 minutes will be warm up, okay, and then the following 15 minutes is the activity of pair discussion, is to know the students' selves more and further, so they have to set a title from this step, and then it followed by 20 minutes. Students have to do this activity to finish their draft and to upload to their to the Blackboard. Okay, and finally the last 5 minutes will be the homework time. Either I can use it for students' feedback. Okay, here's a warm up. Okay, and we can see there are 9 questions in this questionnaire. Are you a good conversationalist? And students can have a self-check about themselves, their personality, their interaction, and if they are outgoing or something. Okay, so they can have a rough idea. The next slide is also for warm up. So you have to categorize. If you are like Sarah type person, which means you are independent one, or you love to get along with people just like Hank, or you are the type of person that you always follow what the boss told you or what your teacher tell you. Okay, so what kind of person are you? You can think about it. And then we can see here, maybe it points out some weakness of your personality, such as some people don't like to admit they are a loser. So sometimes it is good for you to admit you are a good loser, or find some other effective ways to get your life or your personality or your drawback improved. Okay. So here's the second activity, pair work. So here, this activity is offered to let the student know themselves more and further. Okay, so you can see that what kind of person these people might be, and do you want to look up to them, or do you don't want to act just like those people? So here's a reflection part as well. So maybe we can check the second question. When you are getting to know someone, what qualities make good impression? So this is the part you can get started with. And next one is also for pair discussion, to discuss about traits or your goals. So either this is an existing traits in your personality, or either it is a great goals for you to learn or to improve, as a goal for 2009. Okay, so for example, you can see maybe you are not kind of person with patience, so you can work on this part, and maybe you wish your willingness to learn would be stronger. Okay, so things like this. So these are all the references for students to work on. Okay, next one. I'm going to introduce some useful websites during the class if the students, they are working with their pair partner, and they can also find some resources like in Advanced Level Grammar for ESL learners, or ICAL Grammar Guide, and Advanced University English Grammar, as the goal of this course is set to have students to write longer contents. So I also totally agree with Leia's idea, because in this class I'm going to emphasize on transitional device very much. What is transitional device? Transitional device is like the words however, nevertheless, or on the contrary, or in the same manners, words like this. Okay, so they have to put everything together with those transitional devices, and to make their contents more consistent and cohesion. Okay. All right. So finally, the last part is evaluation. So this is a software we are going to evaluate all the students' work, and as a teacher, I don't think I would be the one who can only give the students score. So I'll ask all the students to have the peer evaluation as well. So all the students, after they finish their draft and they upload to the Blackboard, everybody has to go there and take a look. And here's the score. The rubric, okay, it is divided into 10 parts, which means if the students writing products are not so well, and the points may be quite low. So the range will be from 1 to 10. We can take a quick look maybe for organization here. Okay, so if you don't think your classmates' work is good enough, so you can just give the score according to this rubric. Okay, so if you give him 0.1 means, okay, no organization evident ideas random related to each other, but not to task, no paragraphing, no thesis, no unity. Okay, about the development, no development, cohesion and coherence, not coherent, no relationship of ideas evident, and the structure, attempted simple sentences, serious, recurring, unsystematic grammatical errors, and obliterate, meaning non-English patterns predominate. Okay, so if your classmates' work meets those description here, then you can just simply give him 0.1, just 1 point. Okay, so if they are really doing a good job, maybe they can have the points up to 5, 6, 7, or even to 10. All right, so we can take a look of 10 here. In the structure, you can see appropriate native-like standard written English. Okay, so here every comment is perfect. Okay, so you give the points for your classmates range from 1 to 10. Okay. All right, so this is the class design. Thank you.